doing, Jim?
Getting this Raptor coated, and then it's almost quitting time. That's it for that. So we already got her wiped down, and we've got our adhesion promoter, and this is a acid primer, basically like an etching primer, just to give a little more stick. On top of this, we're going to Raptor coat, and then we will put on our new underlayment and then our new carpet. So anywho, we're about almost ready to shoot that. I just need to give this thing like 15-20 minutes to set or so. We've already scuffed, like I said, and wiped down the floorboard. And you'll notice that we did this in place. We were just trying to save money. Customer didn't expect, we didn't expect this at first. But we found he had some serious rust damage. Otherwise, we did buy a whole new floor. You're gonna end up ripping out the entire floor, but before you do that, you gotta set it up on a chassis jig table and then cross it off and weld in support bars to keep and hold the integrity of the factory, you know, its specs, the way it's laid out. Otherwise, if it settles and tweaks, nothing, the doors especially, will line up. Oh, am I getting you there?
Yeah, it's all coming my way.
Just as long as they don't spray my new camera. All right, so Bill's in the back mixing up some Raptor coating. I'm done with this. And actually Bill's multitasking because we're dropping this truck because we've got somebody coming in for the Fairlane.
Oh, I'm gonna drop it.
Oh, you're gonna drop it, all right. Yeah, it's not too hard. All right, so take a big whiff of that. A little bit left, just enough. All right, so we're gonna let that sit while we're dropping this, and then we're going to shoot this in Raptor. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. And we're back. The switch hit. So this is our Raptor coat. It's a two-part system. It comes with a hardener, the activator, and the product itself. Same stuff which is used on like bed liners. Makes a great sound deadener. I mean, it's okay. We have an underlayment on top of that, but it seals the floor. Underneath, we're going to use like a 3M rubberized coating. Otherwise, if we shoot this, it's more expensive, considering the rest of the truck, the expense, and the fact that we're going to need this up on a rack to really shoot this stuff in. We're just better off with a 3M undercoating product. So, how's your back?
Back is fine. It's trying to get this fucker to spray good enough.
Hey, watch your mouth, don't say spray.
If we gotta touch anything up, we can always.
So this will take about 20 minutes or so for us to lay this down. We're gonna go through, well, probably not a whole kit, probably a good 1.5 on the kit. It's sold as a full kit, comes with 4 bottles. And again, this is by U-Pole Raptor Coating. We use it a lot here at the shop. It works very well. So as soon as it's done with that side, I'm going to flip around and I'll show you guys. I just want to back up so we don't rapture my new camera. And we're gonna run one strong coat. If this was a bed or something like that, we'd probably run a good couple of coats. So while he's getting that, I'm gonna move in here so you can see. We've got a splatter seal for up there. We're going to get a little bit of the kick panel. And then we can kick in our underlayment, our carpet kit. We got a tool caddy that goes back here behind the seat, our seat belts, our seats. And we've got some billet, a brake pedal set coming. We already have the accelerator pedal kit with the, which is the bracket and the cable. And we got that from LMC Truck. So hopefully by next Tuesday this guy's out. While he's doing that, I'm going to walk you over here. We had some unexpected issues. It's a brand new water pump. We got it painted. We media blasted and painted since we had those out. The upper pulley was leaking. He also had a hose leak. We took care of that and changed out those old style, you know, the screw type. Let's see, right there, these guys right there. I don't know if you could see that, pointing right at it. And a freeze plug. So we'll have all that wrapped up on Monday. Our water pump back in, and then we've got the fender wells done. We've got a battery to fish for this guy, and we're going to go ahead and rosette weld this plate. And that should be it for this truck. I've already, what was it, yesterday, the other day? Got this all sanded down and redone. Let's show you. Very nice. This was Titanic. You got the Scott Drake billet type adjustable hood stops. I even got into here and touched this up so it all looks nice, new and fresh. Repainted and media blasted the top upper red core support, and then popped in these stainless steel flange head bolts. Nice accent. We've got a couple new clamps, maybe some vinyl Adele clamps with some stainless steel panhead screws. Here's another one right here, and we're going to change this out. We've got something over here. Well, there's a few companies that we buy from. On anybody out there interested, here they are. This car, CLK 550 Marinella, original, I want to say 68,000 original miles or something like that with the 550 liter motor. We just got to fix the soft top. We're going to change the wheels, fix this dent over here. Got a couple little touch-ups, adjust this fender. You can see that right here. And this thing is ready for sale. And if you're interested, contact Jim's Speed Shop. We're out of Lawrenceville, Georgia. Ask for Jim. It's a 08 CLK Marinella Mertz. It's a rag top. It's a nice car. 6-speed transmission, and it runs like a son of a gun. So once we get this all fixed up, we're probably going to be looking at least $16,995 for the car. So if anybody out there is interested, give us a call. Jim's Speed Shop, 770-932-8401. So let's get back to the truck here. Looks like, oh, these are the clamps, by the way. They are stainless, and they wrap around, and they're a very good, very positive responding clamp. Hang on, let me set these down right here, and let's go back and let's see how things are going. I think you're on your next bottle.
Yeah, I gotta mix it.
Okay. While you're doing that, look at that. Look at that. Wow. All right, Chuck, she's almost done. She's going to be coming home. Look at your baby. Nice new floor. Look at that.
Can you hold this gun, Jim, please?
Yes. All right. We're going to pause, and I'll be right back with you, so don't you go away. I want to show you the end. All right, and we're back. Second bottle. Woo. That cross draft fumes coming through here.
Yep.
Yeah, I got my camera backed out of here. Bad there's not a zoom on this. It probably is. I don't know, I'm a dumbass. Anyways. What a difference the spray makes.
He's not gonna know that it's his fucking truck.
Yeah. Hey, hear that, Chuck? He says you're gonna forget what your truck looks like. Ha ha ha.
Damn, I keep hitting the ball.
All right, anyways, we're gonna come in here. And that's our finish. He's just touching up a couple of spots.
Yeah. Burning up.
Coming in here, and we're gonna burn up the rest of the bottle. Why not? He's paying for it. Nice. While we're at it, let's show you what we took out. Anyone interested? This is for sale. No. Some of you out there, that was a joke. So this is the battery box. Of course, this happened. We got ourselves a new one. But here's the floorboard, and here's what we were dealing with. No undercoating. They just never really did that from the factory back in the day. See how well that's pitted? Oh look, I can see myself. So that is predominantly the section that we cut out. Unfortunately, we had to buy the whole floorboard. But luckily, it was the last floorboard that was left over. We are nearing our completion of that 77 Silverado. So let's see how the guys are doing. And here she is. Well, there's the motor. As you see, we've got this all restored, painted. Got the new battery tray in. We got the fender wells restored. Even that cruise control. That thing looks brand new. And that's what it used to look like right there. I don't know if you can see that. It's just complete rust. We had found that we were 3 gallons low, so we filled up the radiator, and the following morning we had a leak all over the floor, so that's why she was down. So we got a new thermostat, water neck, bypass hose. We had to replace the water pump, and we had to fight and finesse with the dipstick the other day, Drew and I. So let's check out the cab. Oh, hey, and we got the doors realigned after our floor install. So they work now. All new seals.
Yeah, I got it.
All right. No lighting in here, huh?
Nah, not yet.
All right. All new trim, seal plate.
No, you can
Got, well,
leave
and
them in
then,
the ignition.
hey, yeah, and we've got,
Yeah, because these things for the courtesy lights, these fuckers are all rusted up. And
all right, and then where's our, hey Bill, grab one of those floor mats. I'm gonna come around there, see how that looks.
Got to vacuum it before.
We will. I'm just gonna show how they look because I'm running out of battery here. And we ended up restoring and painting the pedals. All that's reinstalled, all new carpet, sound deadener, jute backing, brand new interior. And just for those of you out there, you cannot underestimate cost of parts and labor Unfortunately, the seat belts didn't work out, so we had to retain and budget restraints. Look at that. It's not what we'd like to see, but you know, there's only so much we can do. And look at those custom floor mats. God, this thing, hey, don't you, boy, don't you be dirtying up my new carpet.
Yeah.
Boy, you can appreciate sitting in here now, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, she's nice and clean. Anyways, this is our 77 C10. It's a long bed Chevy Silverado. We gotta unfortunately reinstall these ugly speakers, but that's it. We gotta pop in a screw, put on our new billet doorknobs. They're real nice, and we can let this thing go, huh, Bill?
Yep, just door strikers because of the new rubbers, and
Okay, all right.
that's it.
So we're gonna be done today, this morning, before noon. And again, you're watching American Garage TV. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, tell a friend. We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in and watching.